Hey, what's up? I'm about to do a couple things with a 1984 Wellcraft 260 aft cabin boat. I bought this boat about a year ago, and as I started working on it, I realized that I probably need to tear a lot of the components out of it and maybe bench test a lot of them. So what I'm going to be doing is pulling different components out of the boat, starting with the trim cylinders and the hydraulic unit in there. I think it wasn't working when I bought the boat, so I figured the easiest way to do this stuff is just to pull it out, put it on the bench, test it, whatever needs to be fixed, deal with it on the bench, and then when I throw it back in the boat, if it's a problem with it, then I'll be able to track or troubleshoot it to figure out what's going on with it once it's on the boat. So here we go. That's pretty nasty. Yeah, that's pretty disgusting, but nevertheless, gotta pull it out. Okay. I actually just put a little piece of tape on here so I know which wire was where. Needless to say, or maybe not needless to say, the battery is disconnected. This is what I just pulled out of here. This is a diaphragm pump, a Shur flow. Got some disgusting water dripping out of it, but it's got to come out. This is the exhaust motor. Crap. Basically, it's got a little fan in it. Give it a check and see if it needs to be replaced. See up in there. This is Detmar Corporation blower. Pretty standard. Pretty simple. This is a little more interesting. This right. Handy dandy Reachman tool. little reaching tool came highly recommended by fellow YouTubers. Just paid for itself. Yeah, this unit right here, and I'm getting ready to show you, is the one that does the tilt and the trim on the stern drive. Then you have this trim tabs, which are operated by this other hydraulic unit here. Let me see if we can pull them out. Oh, there we go. Right there for now. Get all this stuff on the bench. Pulling stuff out, you start to see everything. You know you're cleaning everything, right? Or replacing everything. I'll tell you, my daggone vent tubes look like they about to go. They're kind of cruddy. Here we go. One got a little container so this oil can run in it. Of course, it's gonna get easy now. Got this container under here. I'll act more civilized. Okay, pretty simple there. Dust covers and all that stuff, so I'm just going to put a piece of tape over these for now. Hopefully, I might better bench test this stuff kind of quick. If anything messed up or whatever I got to order. Okay. This unit actually is pretty easy to pull off. It actually slides straight up. And well, it's got two connectors coming out of it, so see the other one I'm gonna have to disconnect. But it's not too hard. Come loose. Oh yeah, okay. That's cool. Let's see if this works. Bigger than that. So far all I had to use was a 1/2 inch wrench and 7/16. I think one time I used a 9/16. I think for this one I might have to use a 3/8. Basically, I guess to say, that's all I have to say. Time for it. We'll crimp it when I come back up here to put all this stuff in. Be interesting. Be careful this one because this is a Bennett unit V351. I think when you test this, of course you're going to hook up your positive lead to each side to make sure what the thing is, since it doesn't have tubes on here. More likely it's going to shoot some gooby goob out of here, some hydraulic fluid. So if you find yourself in a position where you need to test this, just be aware that you need to test it in somewhere where you can, and give it space to shoot the fluid out, because it's actually going to cause pressure inside the unit when the motor starts moving in whatever direction, left or right. Or I should say clockwise, counterclockwise. But for now, that's it. Got everything out. Now put it on the bench and test it. As long as it tests out okay, I'll put it together. Actually, I already bought this unit was leaking. It seems like it's not leaking right now, but it might not be leaking because hasn't been used. So I bought a tank for it. But so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and sound off. I'll clean up this little bit of dirt and mess in here from underneath these pieces that I pulled out of here, and I'll call it a night.